Hello everyone, welcome back to NISHANA'S recipe notes. Today's recipe is a masala curry, chickpeas masala curry. So before going to the recipe, subscribe NISHANA'S recipe notes and give bell for getting notifications on latest updates. So let's move on to the recipe. First, let's see the ingredients. 2 cups of chickpeas soaked overnight. Then ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Onion chopped half cup. 1 medium sized tomato chopped. Then 1 green chili. Then 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and quarter teaspoon of fennel powder. Then we need salt to taste, then some water. Now for preparing this, add all the ingredients into a pressure cooker. So I have added onion, next slitted green chili, ginger garlic paste, then our main ingredient chickpeas, tomato, salt, then all the masala powders. Next, adding some water and combine all the ingredients very well. Then some more water we can add. So this much water is enough. Just mix them well. Let the water be up to the level of chickpeas. Cover the lid. Place the weight also. Then after the first whistle, reduce the flame and cook for 10 minutes over very low flame. Once the pressure is completely released, open the cooker and mix them well. So our chickpeas masala curry is going to be ready now. Next step is seasoning the curry. For seasoning, heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a pan. Then slittering some mustard seeds. Then curry leaves. Now add our chickpeas masala curry into this. Combine very well. So our chickpeas masala curry is ready to serve now. Now let's take it into a serving bowl. It goes with Pathiri, Chppathi, Puttu, Appam, etc. So try this recipe and give me your valuable feedback. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up and share this video. Also, those who are new to this channel, please subscribe NISHANA'S recipe notes. And thank you for watching. I'll be back soon with another recipe. Until then, bye-bye.